Hello and welcome to this short video on how to construct a reference for a journal article in APA 7th. In order to do this, we're going to need the following bits of information. We're going to need the author's name or names, the year of publications, the title of both the article and the journal that it appears in. We're going to need the volume number, the issue number, the page range and the DOI, otherwise known as the Digital Object Identifier. So this is the format that we use for a journal article. This is found on the APA 7th LibGuide. So let's see how this would look with an example of a journal article. So here is the article we will be using. So first we're going to need the names of the authors. So here we have two authors. We're going to need their surnames and their initials. We're also going to need the year of publication, the title of the article, the journal title, the volume, issue, and page range. Lastly, we need the DOI, found here. So all of the information we need for our referencing is present on the first page of the journal. Okay, so let's see how this information can be used to format a reference for a journal article correctly in APA 7th. So we've listed out all the information that we need here, everything from the surname to the DOI. So now that we have all this information, let's see how to format it correctly. Here I've copied over the template from the APA 7th referencing guide for a journal article with two authors. We're going to use this as a point of reference because this is going to tell me how to lay out all of this information I found and in what order. It's also going to give all of the required punctuation and spacing and other formatting that I need. So every comma, full stop, capital, space, bracket and italic font is all provided for me if I copy that template. So let's see how this would look with the information we took off our journal. So here we are. Notice the information appears in the exact same order and I've been careful to follow all the punctuation to match the LibGuide. The next thing you want to do is create a list with your reference. So, first you want to format it so it's double spaced, and then you want to create a hanging indent. A hanging indent refers to when the first line sits on the left margin, but all subsequent lines are indented. You can achieve this by the Control or Command T function in Word. And a final reminder, when conducting your reference list, the heading References should be in the centre and in bold. Your entries should be in alphabetical order based on the surnames. Entries should be double spaced with no extra spacing between and should have a hanging indent. And lastly, make sure all the works cited in text are in your list and all entries in your list are cited in text. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and happy referencing.